Hey, what's up, Simon? It is me, Derek, and I finally figured out how to get this mod to work. Took a little bit of time, but uh, I finally got it out of like, say, 20 plus YouTube videos. And yeah, you're right, a lot of them do suck. So, um, right now, to start off, you're gonna want to go to the bottom of this YouTube video, and it should say like about under a tab, and it'll have two links. And one of them will be for this Minecraft Forge downloads, and another one will be for this, which is the Flans mod download. Now, one of the reasons that you might have been having trouble with the mod is that because you actually need another mod with it to help install the mod. It's kind of complicated, but yeah, it's actually a lot simpler than I thought it was going to be. So for this Minecraft Forge download, this is the first thing you're going to want to download. You go to the first one where it says Minecraft 1.7.2, and this means it's going to be an older version of Minecraft, but Flan's mod only runs on older versions, and this isn't too old, it's like a couple versions old, but it's nothing too big. That's just like glitches and stuff that are patched. Anyway, so you're going to want to hit this installer, and then that should start downloading into your download thing. I already got mine downloaded just because it took some time, and then you're going to want to go to this, and this is going to be underneath the link for the Minecraft Forge download, and it'll be in this download and install tab, and you hit this big green button here. Can't miss it. And that'll be it. That's what this file is right here. And yes, these websites look really sketchy, and I totally agree. That's what I thought when I first saw it, but a lot of people have been using this, like thousands of people have been using this website, and this is a very popular, this Minecraft Forge thing is a really popular mod. And if you just want to double check and stuff, you could probably find some sources online and stuff like that. But I guarantee that this doesn't have any viruses on it unless you click on stuff like this, because that is for sure a virus. Okay, so now we have both these files downloaded. We are going to want to open up Forge here, and when it opens up, since I already got past that stage, when it opens up, you're going to want to left click it and hit open, because if you only, let's see, no, not left click, sorry, right click and hit open, because if you use the other button, it'll actually tell you it's not able to open just because it's from an unidentified developer. And that's also like another reason why it's kind of sketchy, but it's I promise you it's okay. And then you open it, and then it'll again ask you whether or not you want to open it because it's unidentified, and then you just put in your username and password. At least I had to. You might not have to. And then it'll bring you to this. Oops, not that. This. So now what you're gonna want to do is only install the client here. This is this blue button thing, and then go to this triple dot thing. That file or triple dot thing is just telling it where it's gonna put all its data into. Because if you just leave it like that, it's gonna put it into this file called application support, and that's gonna do nothing pretty much. Because these are all your applications, and you're not telling it which application it has to go to. Anyways, so you're going to find Minecraft, should be in the M's, and then hit choose. Actually, no, sorry. I'm going to go back. Screwed that up. Go down to Minecraft, double click it so it opens up, and then go all the way down to versions. And since I said this was an older version, you're going to want to double click that so it opens up. Come on, there we go. And then click the 1.7.2. That's the version it's running on. And I already installed it, so that's why this forward thing is here. You shouldn't have that. So yeah, you should only have this 1.7.2. And I don't think you'll have TMI either, because I also installed that. So you choose that. My mouse is being a little bit glitchy. And then this will happen. The directory is missing to launch profile, blah 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 blah. That just means that you're gonna have to run Minecraft first. before you install those files, because it needs to know like what it is and how it runs and stuff like that. So all you gotta do is open up Minecraft, um, go to your normal thing, and then over here underneath Isaac's username it'll say edit profile, and then it should have his username and everything in here. Now this, it'll probably say use current version, or probably says use latest version. Don't want to say that. You're gonna want to say release 1.7.2, and it'll run on the 1.7.2 version. So you want to save the profile and then just hit play. Ugh, a little bit sick. And once this starts playing, all you gotta do is quit, because now it knows exactly what to do. I hope. If I just hit OK. Alright. So you're going to hit OK before you open Minecraft. I'm sorry about that. Try to edit that out or something like that. See, quit it. So when this opens and it says that you need to run the file first, hit OK, and then open up Minecraft and do all that stuff, and then reopen this Minecraft Forge thing. Sorry, that's a bit of a mix-up. I messed that one up there. Anyways, that should take a little bit longer for you because I already installed it. That should take like a minute or so. It'll say successfully blah 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 blah, and it should probably say 2 required libraries. That's what mine came up as. Might be a bit more for you or less. So now Minecraft, or this Forge mod, which is the first thing you need to add onto Minecraft, is now installed properly. So if you go into your Minecraft launcher again after you've installed it, if you go down to this profile thing and then just click it, it'll have different type of profiles, and I already have a couple here, and it should say Forge. Just click on that, and then this will come up. This just means like what kind of or what user you want on this file. Just hit play. Ignore that, and then hit play again, and it should start working. I got a couple of error files or error messages when I started this thing up. It should work. I'm hoping it's gonna work now. Yeah. So it should work for you. If it doesn't, then just email me back and I'll figure out a fix. And then right here it'll say mods, and this is just the Minecraft Forge mod. And so if you don't have this mods folder here, that just means that it isn't installed, or you're just on the wrong profile or something like this, or something like that. But it should have this thing here. And if it doesn't, then just go back and make sure you did every step. Because that part where I mixed up the opening Minecraft and stuff kind of sucks, because that might be a little bit hard to understand. Now, since we've gotten that done, we are going to want to go to, so here in the top right, click your desktop so it says Finder, and then go to, I have it in recent folders. It might have it for you, probably not. So instead, go to folder, and then you can do just go to library. And then go to application support. Should be like the first or second one, and then hit Minecraft. Now, once you get into this, it should say mod somewhere. I have a mod folder here. That only happens when you install the Forge thing. So just click that, and all you gotta do to install Flan's mod is drag this file that you downloaded earlier into here. Boom, done. So that is how you install the Flan's thing. Now, you're gonna think we're done, but really we aren't, and I made that mistake. So if you actually go into Minecraft and start it up, it should work, and you should have, if you go into creative mode, which Isaac should know what that is, or maybe you even, there'll be like all the blocks and stuff like that, and you can go through pages and it'll show all the different like things you could have, but it doesn't show any icons and you can't actually obtain it. So that's when you're going to want to go to the third link in the description of my video here, and then it'll go to content packs. Now you have to install all of these if you want like these type of things in the game. So like, it's hard to explain. If you want the simple parts pack, which is all the car parts and stuff like that, then I'll install that right now. So I go like this into one of these folders, and I'm gonna hit this download thing, big green thing, and it should bring you to like an ad fly thing or whatever. Just wait. It has these stupid ads. Hey, where's my mouse? Oh, here's. And then go skip ad to the top. And it'll bring you to MediaFire. And again, this all looks sketchy, but almost every download file for Minecraft is run like this with MediaFire and stuff like that. So just hit this download button here. Don't listen to any other download things in the ads or anything like that, because those are always viruses, or they'll lead you to some random website or something like that. So make sure you hit this green one up there, and then that should start downloading. Here it is. So once you got that on your desktop, just close whatever you got here. Don't think we need those anymore. And then you'll probably get a pop-up here. Just close that. All bad, just ads and stuff. Quit that. And now you're gonna want to go to recent folders. Minecraft should be in here. If not, then just go to the same steps before, where you go to folder and then go to application support and then Minecraft. So just go to Minecraft, and then you're going to want to go to, if I can remember here, I don't remember. How did I do this? Went to, uh-oh. Ah, I remember now. Alright, so you do have to run Minecraft. Here, I'll show you how it works actually. So, let's backtrack a bit. I'm going to run Minecraft and it'll show you what it's going to be like just without these content packs or parts pack you see over here. This is what you're going to get without those, and it's going to be really bad. You're going to have like 4 or 5 items from the actual mod that you can use, which is terrible. So, just get the Minecraft running, 1.7.2 on the Forge profile. Go to single player. I just have a creative mode world. Oop. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's just because I reinstalled this, so yeah. You won't get that message, so don't worry about it. Ah, no. Alright. I'll stop this video just for a couple seconds and then come back when I get Minecraft actually running. Alright, so it looks like I've gotten my world back up and running. Sorry about that. Didn't mean to crash the thing there. Minecraft. Sorry if I sound completely crazy in this video. It is a bit late. I've been working on this for a while. Anyways, this is actually a lot of fun. I liked figuring this out. So, as you can see, there should be like Flan's mods, guns, and stuff like that, and there should be a bunch of guns here. But there isn't, and this should probably happen to you right now. There's only a couple items here. And then this is what the parts pack actually fixes. So, you're going to want to just quit the game. Ta-da. Now, you're going to want to go to the folder, the Minecraft folder again. There we go. And then, all the way down, you should have a new folder. This is why I was kind of lost a little while ago, because I didn't have this folder. I went to this folder, because once you start up Minecraft, it'll realize that it has a Flan pack thing, Flan mod installed, so it'll open up this new folder. Just double click that, and drag this parts pack in. Now, close that, reopen Minecraft. Alright, so I got Minecraft started up. So I'm just going to go into my creative world again. Or go into the same world. And then get this loaded up. So now, when I actually go into my next page, it'll actually have these cool little icons here, and look at that, we got all our stuff. So, to add guns and whatever else Isaac wants, that's kind of weird. Isaac wants some guns, or vehicles, or mechas. I don't know what that is, but team stuff. Anyway, so Flan's mod vehicles. If let's say I wanted to get that too, then what you're gonna want to do is go into that link again. That the third link in the description here. Alright, so we're at the Flans mod context pack now. Content pack stuff. And so you're in that third link in the description, and all you gotta do is, let's say you want the guns pack, you go into this, you download it. This is actually really simple. You go through this add file process. You hit this green download button because all these are viruses. And then you probably just pop up, close it. Come on. There we go. Now go to that Minecraft folder again. The good old Minecraft folder. Right there. Go down to that Flan folder again. Double click that. Right where we put the parts pack for Flans mod 4. That's where you're going to go into your downloads. Get this Modern Warfare gun thing. Uh-oh. Let's try that again. Oh, you know what? I bet it went to, yeah, here it is. Alright, sorry. Don't put that file in the folder. Put this file right here, right beside this one. And now when you open up Minecraft again, it'll have guns in the Modern Warfare section. So that's how that works. Again, if you want another one, just repeat that step, or those steps, with the World War II pack, all these things, and they should show up in the pack. This mod is actually really cool, and I hope that this works. If not, I can totally redo this video if it's too complicated, if it's not understandable enough. I understand that totally. And I actually don't mind doing this at all. This is a lot of fun for me. So I hope this works, and I hope Isaac can get his Minecraft mod working. Alright, can't wait to see you guys in summer, and yeah, I'll see you later.